Destination Neverland. Rose a crossover. Yes!
You know I wrote a book, right? It's called Buy a Game, and it's free.
Hey, witness on the
link down
beat.
there, you got it.
StrayAllDay.com.
Here we go. Move of the night. Derrick Rose again. Derrick Rose again. Shout out to Derrick Rose being on my fantasy team with the quick crossover, getting into the basket and finishing like it is 2011 all over again. So let's take a look at what Derrick Rose did to set this move up, and let's talk about the parts you can add to your game. So as you see, as this move comes in, you see that there are two screens coming to Jrue Holiday's left, right? So I'm assuming, and we're going to assume here for the purposes of this breakdown, that Jrue Holiday knew those screens were coming. His teammates verbally are letting him know there's a screen coming. Any of you play basketball, you know you need to let your teammates know when they're about to get screened. Now, since Derrick Rose knows that Jrue Holiday knows that a screen is about to come, Derrick Rose plays a little bit of chess here. That's what he does on this move. So I'm going to tell you exactly how he does it. He knows that Jrue Holiday is leaning towards his left and feeling for that screener on the left. So Derrick Rose plays into his hands. Yeah, I'm about to go to your left, Jrue Holiday. And as Jrue Holiday starts leaning and thinking about going to the left, boom, Derrick Rose with a quick crossover. You see Jrue Holiday was in no way expecting Derrick Rose to cross back over to his left hand. Look at the dip of that left shoulder by Derrick Rose. See that dip? See how he gets low even though he's it seems way ahead of his defender, not that far ahead. Protects that ball with two hands away from that reach-in defense by number 24. I don't know what he was doing on that play either, as Derrick Rose has a clear lane to the basket. Don't know where the help defense is. And then Derrick Rose finishes with a dunk. And that link right there, StrayAllDay.com/jump, will help you if you want to get with this dunking part. But let's take a look at this. Derrick Rose setting up Jrue Holiday here. You see Jrue is leaning left. He knows that screen is coming. Double screen is coming. Derrick Rose with a quick change of direction, crossing over while the defender is preoccupied with a different move. And mind you, ladies and gentlemen, this all takes place in a split second. This is instinctive. This is not something that you plan. This is instinctive play that comes from years of playing basketball, being in these situations over and over again. You're not going to get this just from watching my video. You got to get on the court and get some game experience. You want to work on your game, work on your hops. HoopHandbook.com signature manuals on the way. Work on your game.